All right, everyone. Our next guest saw a big need for a true probiotic product that would help with obesity and strengthen your immune system. So he created one, and it is helping people everywhere. Dr. Lawrence Hoberman is in studio with us today. How are you, doctor?
I'm fine. Thank you very much for the nice introduction.
Absolutely.
It's great to be here because I'm very excited to talk about this new product, EndoMune Metabolic Rescue.
It really sounds like you're so excited about this one. One, because it's working, and two, a big story leading to the development of it, and a true passion coming from you. Let's talk about that.
Well, so this product is such important for people who have a weight issue because they also then have problems with the metabolic syndrome, which is hypertension, diabetes, and cholesterol problems that leads to cardiovascular disease. And so I developed this product, but to tell the story, I need to go back a little bit and give you some background.
Okay.
So as you know, I'm a gastroenterologist, and for 25 years I took care of people struggling with symptoms of bloating, gas, cramps, diarrhea, and constipation.
Sure.
And we never really could figure out what the problem was. Then in 2000, we discovered that people who have irritable bowel syndrome have different bacteria in the gut. They're not the good guys like normal. And so as we develop, we normally have these healthy bacteria that help in the function of the gut. But if we don't eat healthy, we travel, if we take antibiotics or we're stressed, we'll change the bacteria in the gut. And that allows an overgrowth of unhealthy bacteria, and the immune system becomes activated and causes inflammation. So the key is trying to put back the good bacteria, and that's what probiotics are. So by taking a probiotic, you reestablish a healthy bacteria, and often that alleviates the people's symptoms and they do better. So in 2007, I worked with a PhD microbiologist and developed EndoMune Metabolic, it's the advanced probiotic. And it's made such a difference for people's health. I've just had such a passion having done that. And I get to see how the gut bacteria have such an impact on not only our gut health, but our overall health.
I love that you've taken so much passion and you did something about it. You developed this product, and I know that this is already helping so many patients out there.
So the second part of the story is that for the last 15 years, I've been doing a health and wellness program. People come in not because they're sick, but they want to make sure they're okay. And we do, again, a comprehensive exam, and what we find that these people are generally in good health, except if they have a weight issue. So when they gain the weight, they have the other problems that we talked about, the metabolic syndrome, and it's going to lead to heart disease. So we talk about diet and exercise and trying to get people to do the right things, but it's tough. In 2014, there were articles published about the bacteria in the gut in people who are obese versus those who are lean. So what happens is a shift in the bacteria. So people who are obese have bacteria that will harvest the calories in the colon and will then direct them to be stored in our fat tissue and in our liver. And people who are lean have a different kind of bacteria that will harvest the calories, but then they're directed to be burned and they're not stored. And so EndoMune Metabolic Rescue has the healthy bacteria that's in lean individuals. But you also have to feed those bacteria because they need to grow. And it's provided by the prebiotic. You've heard of prebiotics. So prebiotics is the nourishment for these bacteria. It's a starch that can't be broken down by our digestive enzymes, and it's designed to be used by the colon bacteria.
Okay.
And so in EndoMune Metabolic Rescue, it has a certain kind of resistant starch, which is a prebiotic, that the bifidobacteria will break down, and it produces chemicals. It's fascinating. They go to the brain that affects our satiety center, that we're not as hungry. It goes to the stomach and slows the emptying, so you fill up quicker, and affects the sensitivity of the cells to insulin, so you help to improve the risk for diabetes.
It sounds like it just has so many wonderful uses, and the fact that it's already out there is a great thing. I love so much passion coming from this particular product. Thank you so much for being with us today. I want to give everyone some information on how they can get their hands on this product. It's EndoMune Metabolic Rescue. There's a special offer today, 15% off EMR. It's online only, so jump online and go to endomune.com, and you have to use the code AMTV. And of course, you can find Dr. Hoberman at Medical Care Innovations. They're off of Lock Hill, Selma, Suite 298 right here in San Antonio, or give them a call for more info, 862-2138. Again, that website, endomune.com. All right.